Have you recently changed your Wi-Fi password, upgraded your router, or moved to a new home? If you're a Kasa Smart Plug user, you might be scratching your head, wondering how to connect Kasa Smart Plug to new Wi-Fi. You're not alone. Many of us face this common smart home hurdle. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, making it super easy to get your Kasa Smart Plug back online and working seamlessly with your new network. Let's dive in. 1. Prepare your Kasa Smart Plug. Unplug and replug. Start by unplugging your Kasa Smart Plug from the wall outlet, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. This gives it a fresh start. Locate the reset button. On most Kasa Smart Plugs, you'll find a small button, usually on the side or bottom. This is your key to resetting the device. 2. Reset your Kasa Smart Plug. Initiate reset. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the Wi-Fi indicator light on the plug start to flash amber and green. This signifies that the plug is now in setup mode and ready to connect to a new network. Why reset? Resetting is crucial because it clears the old Wi-Fi credentials, allowing the plug to search for new networks. If you skip this, it will keep trying to connect to your old Wi-Fi. 3. Open the Kasa Smart app. Launch app. Open the Kasa Smart app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have the latest version installed from your app store. Add a device. Tap the plus icon, usually in the top right corner, to add device. Then select device from the options. 4. Select your smart plug model. Choose category. From the list of device types, select smart plugs. Identify your model. The app will likely ask you to identify your specific Kasa Smart Plug model. Select the correct one. Confirm flashing light. The app will prompt you to confirm that the Wi-Fi light on your plug is flashing amber and green. Tap Next or Confirm. 5. Connect to the Kasa's Wi-Fi network. Temporary connection. Your phone will now need to temporarily connect to the Kasa Smart Plug's own Wi-Fi network, which it creates during setup mode. This network will usually appear as something like Kasa Smart XXXX in your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Switch networks. The app might automatically guide you to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Go there, find the Kasa Smart XXXX network, and connect to it. Don't worry if it says no internet connection. That's normal for this step. Once connected, switch back to the Kasa app. 6. Select your new home Wi-Fi network. Choose your network. Back in the Kasa app, it will now display a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your new home Wi-Fi network, the one you want your smart plug to connect to. Enter password. Carefully enter the password for your new home Wi-Fi network. Double check for typos. 7. Finalizing the connection. Connecting. The app will now attempt to connect your Kasa Smart Plug to your new Wi-Fi network. This might take a minute or two. Success. Once connected, the Wi-Fi indicator light on your Kasa Smart Plug should turn solid green. The Kasa app will also confirm successfully connected. Name. Your plug, you'll then be prompted to give your smart plug a name, e.g. living room lamp, coffee maker. This makes it easy to identify and control. Special tips chat FAQs. 2.4 GHz. Only, remember, Kasa Smart Plugs, like most smart home devices, only work on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If you have a dual-band router, make sure your phone is also connected to the 2.4 GHz band during setup. Router proximity. During the setup process, try to keep your Kasa Smart Plug relatively close to your Wi-Fi router for the best signal. Power cycle router. If you're still having trouble, try power cycling your Wi-Fi router, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in, before attempting the Kasa setup again. App permissions. Ensure the Kasa Smart app has the necessary location and local network permissions on your phone.